Hi, I'm Doug Baker. I'm a junior and have been at Foreman for 3 years. With the plans of a renovation to Williams Hall, I have a few ideas to increase mental health and positive work production between students. Some changes to Williams that I am proposing to enlighten our learning experience is to increase the amount of oxygen and natural light. Plants indoors are shown to decrease the amount of stress and anxiety a student may be going through. Natural light helps people work more efficiently and with less stress. These additions can encourage more thorough work and an upward spike in mental health. Another investment Foreman could make to assist with students paying more attention is smartboards. Smartboards could exponentially increase the amount of possible in class activities. It can also encourage students to be more involved in class. In addition, though, this is an effort to make our campus more eco friendly. We could create the building addition out of stone, hempcrete, aluminum, wood, and skylights again, so we will spend less money on electricity. On top of that, we should add the needed amount of solar panels on the roof to run the building off of solar electricity instead of current or static electricity. With these features taken into account for the renovation of Williams, I believe that our campus will become a happier place while being more sustainable. Thank you.